It's funny that swamps have gone from something that I want to avoid to something I now use as my main highway because there's no vegetation on them and it's pretty quick travel. I can see the track, the edge of the swamp, so I am nearly down this big hill. It's been fun, but hard on the knees doing this sort of descent. Now that's convenient, though I'm not going to use it because it looks like getting off at the other end is quite hard. So I'm just going to walk across the river. So tempting as the tree is, I'm going to cross here and I can see the track there. So I should hopefully be on a track for the rest of the way.